3 ways to install lights on an outdoor tree. It's that time of year again. Presents, tinsel, gingerbread and getting to put up your festive displays. We're going to show you 3 easy ways to add some holiday cheer to your display on outdoor trees. Every single tree can be a completely different width, which will affect the length of lights you need to use. Before you even order your lights, the first thing you need to do is measure the distance from the tree or bush to the power source that you will be using. Then roughly measure the width of the trunk times by 3 to get an estimate of 1 full loop. Times the loop by the height and you have an indicator of the lit length and then power length you need. Next, test your lights. The last place you want to be when you realise your lights don't work is when you're up a tree securing in place the last set. Wrapping around the trunk and branches. This style of tree decoration works best on trees with a tall trunk, such as maple, birch or oak. We used 1 set of a 5 metre light to start wrapping, then we continued to connect our sets as we needed them. Don't forget with this method that denser lights equals brighter lights. If you wrap the strings close together you will achieve a fuller, brighter look. However, this means you will require more lights to complete the look. Bear this in mind when ordering your lights. String lights wrapped on a bushy tree, whether that be swagged, straight or like a beaded garland. We've used various bushes, some sparse, some fuller and taller, to show you how the lights look on different variations of bushy trees. You can either wrap the lights all around the bush branches, or swag them through the thicker trunks like we simply have here. Finally, we have hanging icicles. When completed on a tree, this is such an effective way to display string lights. Firstly, choose your tree. We are decorating a weeping birch tree. It has droopy long branches which are perfect for this style of tree wrapping. Simply hang them over, twist the few strings that are dropped, keep connecting as you go. For this method of tree decoration you don't really need to measure how long you need the strings precisely. If you know how long the branch is and how long you want the drops to be, you then gain a rough idea. Make sure you hit subscribe and turn on notifications as there will be plenty more of these coming up this Christmas.